Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a super exciting unboxing for you. I'm actually going to be unboxing my prom dress. I'm very excited. Prom is coming up and I cannot wait to share this with you guys. Now, I'm going to do a blind unboxing. Now keep in mind, I don't know what this dress looks like. I've never seen it before in my life. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you and then take a look. Oh my goodness, look at it. It is gorgeous. I mean, look at the detailing. You can see how gorgeous the flowers and the sheer top look and how it continues into the rest of this giant flowing skirt that it has. Oh my goodness, look at it. I don't even have it all the way out of the bag yet. But look at that. Look how gorgeous this dress is. I don't normally wear dresses, but I think I'm gonna make an exception for this one. I mean, wow. Look at how big that is. It's so nice and fluffy and flowy. Let me give you a nice close-up of the skirt. I mean, look at that. There's so many different kinds of flowers and vines all over it. And it feels so nice. It feels like a nice flowy gown. And there are plenty of layers underneath it so that it allows for a lot of airflow and it doesn't even feel that heavy. I mean, it's so lightweight. Wow, I mean, let's do another close-up. I mean, really, look at that. Look at how gorgeous that top is. It allows for a lot of skin and a lot of room for really cool jewelry. And then the pattern just continues all the way down to the ends. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And even the top layer is sheer. I mean, look at that. I've never seen a dress like this. This is fantastic. I can't wait to wear this to prom. Alright, so that's going to conclude our unboxing video for today. I'm sorry it's a little bit short, but I just wanted to show off the dress and how amazing it is. So, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.